Class 11, second topic, as I earlier told you about electromagnetic force, strong nuclear force, weak force and gravitational force. Now it tends to achieve physical quantities. What does mean by physical quantities? Physical, it tends to achieve the physical quantities. Physical quantities. Physical quantities are those quantities which can be measured directly and indirectly, in terms of which the laws of physics, is called physical quantities. You can say when we expressed directly or indirectly of any object and which follow the terms of physics, that is called the physical quantities. Mean to say is the quantities which can be measured directly or indirectly, in terms of which of physics laws, in terms of which the laws of physics or physics laws is called physical quantities. Means you can measure directly and indirectly in terms of physics laws, that is called the physical quantities. And its correct definition is, so dear students, the definition is the quantities which can be measured directly and indirectly, in terms of which the laws of physics. Means the any quantity which achieve or which considerable to the laws of physics, these quantities are called physical quantities. These have the two types. First one is fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities, and second is derived quantities. First one is fundamental quantities and second one is derived quantities. Fundamental quantities are those quantities, these are produced by itself, these are not dependent on others. Means independent of others, while derived quantities are those, these are achieved by the help of other quantities. Means these are dependent quantities. You have to consider these only two things. Fundamental quantities are those quantities which are achieved by itself, these are called the fundamental quantities, and the quantities which are achieved by with the help of other quantities, means these are dependent and these are independent. Now these are you have to consider only the quantities which can be measured directly or indirectly, in terms of which the laws of physics. These measurable quantities is called physical quantities, and these has two types. First one is fundamental quantities, second one is derived quantities. Fundamental quantities are those independent of others, and derived quantities are independent of others, and these are dependent of others. Thus you have to clear this only. The quantities which are dependent on others, these are derived units, which are independent of others, that is called the fundamental quantities. Now you have to come the units, as you studies about types of units. As still you have studies about the MKS, FPS, CGS, and the all over science you consider, either it is physics or chemistry or math, you have SI units. Now I am writing this MKS, second is FPS, third is CGS, and fourth one is SI. So MKS tends to meter, means distance of length Here it consider kilometer, kilogram, and it stands to second. It stands to mass and it stands to time. Meter, kilogram and second. Meter, kilogram and second. M stands to meter, K stands to kilogram and S stands to second. Here same consider F stands to foot and P stands to pound and S stands to second. Same here for length, for weight or you can say mass, and for time. Here same consider centimeter, gram, and it stands to time. And SI stands to International System of Units. SI stands to International System of Units. International System of Units. International System of. First of all, I told you about MKS. Second, I told you about FPS. Third, I told about you CGS. And fourth, I told about SI, which is used in every phase of science. Either it is math, physics, chemistry, whatever you read about the units, SI is considered everywhere. MKS stands to meter, kilogram, second, and F stands to foot. It is the unit of length. And P stands to pound. As you studied about pound, when we make sweater etc, we consider pound. And S stands to second. Second is in each quantities, in each unit, second is common. Here MKS second, FPS S second, in CGS S second. And here CGS, C stands to centimeter, G stands to gram, and S stands to time. It means here S is same, and SI last one is standard International System of Units. So you have to consider only 4: MKS, FPS, CGS and SI. In this part I told you about physical quantities. Physical quantities you can measure directly and indirectly, in terms of which the laws of physics. These measurable quantities are called physical quantities. Physical quantities are two types: fundamental quantities and derived quantities. Fundamental quantities are those quantities which are derived by itself. These are independent of others. And derived quantities are those quantities which are dependent of others. And last one, MKS, FPS, CGS and SI.